I'm gonna play I Am Cat. Oh god, I just got this game right now. God. Because I want to see how I want to be a cat, so. But I don't know how you. Oh, it's just gorilla tag movements. Okay, gorilla tag movements time. Gorilla tag movements. I know, I play gorilla tag a lot, so I know what this is. Actually, I just play horror games. What do I need to do? Hey! Hey, I'm trying to get up. So you say everything you have to do is go just... What the heck? What the heck? I feel sick. I feel weird. Is it a fish? Oh, it's a fish. Oh, you're gonna die, fishy. Yeah. Oh. Get in. Oh, I don't like water. I don't like water. Well, I'm gonna have to force myself to take a bath. No, the fish. Okay. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Okay, I have to fall asleep. Okay, let's go up. One up. Meow. Hi, kitty. Hey, Grandma. Tag Grandma's ankles. What do you want? What do you want? Stop. Ugh, I have to tack on the foot. The head. Get up. Get up. Wait, to jump. Okay. I'm gonna cause mayhem around this place. Oh. Yeah. Grandma! 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 Grandma, what are you gonna do to me? Grandma! You get Grandma. You're trying to knock me out. Grandma, that's what you get. You're trying to kill me, Grandma. Grandma, please don't try to kill me again. I gotta get away from Grandma. She's trying to kill me. Grandma, please don't. Grandma, I don't want to do this again. So don't ruin Grandma's life. Don't ruin Grandma's life. Be nice to old Grandma. Hey, Grandma. Grandma. Oh, that was not nice to Grandma, but all right. Is she dead? I killed Grandma. Grandma, you don't want to know. Toot. Grandma, I got the high ground. Grandma, I got the high ground. I got the high ground. You don't, Grandma. Grandma, I got the high ground. Grandma. Grandma, I got the high ground, Grandma.
Jag blir för for me.
Grandma, I got the high ground. Grandma. 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 You can't get up here.
You've got to for me.
Grandma. I think I killed Grandma, guys. I keep accidentally killing Grandma.
You've got to for me.
But you guys gotta be aware of Grandma. Gotta be aware of Grandma. She doesn't like that. Ooh. I believe I can fly. Grandma, get your glasses. Huh. Grandma. Grandma, I'm gonna attack you. Grandma. I hate Grandma. I can do anything to kill Grandma.
Jag blir för for me.
Wee! Wait, Grandma. Grandma, sneak attack! Grandma, I got a sneak attack on you. Oh my God, Grandma's can't.
You came for me.
Where else can I go without Grandma trying to kill me? Oh, look, it's fine. It's fine. This book, Grandma, you are pleased to go to do whatever. Can I do whatever I want, Grandma? Grandma. Also, Grandma cares about her vases, not the books. Okay. I'm really scared because Grandma doesn't like me. And also I can climb a wall so I can kind of be safe from Grandma for a while. I can be safe from Grandma for a while. That's for a while. Does Grandma become angrier every time I do a mission? Oh, it's so weird. Hopefully she doesn't just come upstairs as soon as I knock this over. Oh, sorry. No, she comes up here. Meow. And knock on your faces. Looks like if you knock down the faces over here, you're safe. But, like over there, you're not. Okay. Push! Push! Yeah, I don't know. I have an idea, actually. I have an idea. Hey, Grandma. Grandma. Oh, Grandma. 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 Grandma, you don't know. You don't know. But soon you will. Soon you will. Grandma. 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 What's this? Oh, Grandma. No. You have to do it like faster. Grandma? Grandma, are you laughing at my cat, brother? Grandma, let me get up.
Alistair! Oh, what?
How do I? Oh, I'm gonna go to my mansion. My mansion. Oh my god. I have found my mansion. My mansion is so beautiful. Grandma, you don't know what I'm talking about, mansion. This is the most beautiful mansion in all of the world. All the cats are jealous. All the cats want this mansion. But little do they know, I am the master at this. And also, I can also get up here, which also I can stir Granny. Oh wait. Uh-oh. You don't care. Oh wait, yep. Fishy. I will return you home, fish. But first I have to get to my home. My actual home, though. Okay, so I'll return you home, fishy. Grandma, can you be a... I have a fish in my mouth, Grandma. I'm trying to get it back in the fish tank. Oh, good. Okay. I can't get up. Oh, I know now. I know too. Okay, so with the fish in my mouth, I can do stuff. I can go meow. Okay, so I have to pretend like that's my fish. That's a fish. Okay. Pretend like that's a fish. Oh. Pretend like that's a. This is not just a fish. No, fishy. Put this in my mouth. Show up to Grandma. Practical turkeys.
Алиса! Затрошка!
Fish! I just scratched you. I just.
You're getting far from me.
No, poor fish. That's what you did.
Finish here.
It's Grandma. Grandma!
You're getting far from me.
Yes, I can. Fun for you. Grandma. Can I grab the fish? Can I stick it in my mouth? Okay, I think I know what to do now. So, I know what to do. Now. So, climb up here. Climb right up here. In. I can't figure it out. I will never. Wait a minute. What kind of. What the? It's glass. Where did I go, my grandma? No. Grandma, don't wonder what I'm doing. Oh wait, yeah, do wonder. Well. Okay.
Oh, what?
Can't reach it. Can't reach. Fishies, you guys are safe, but it will get you, fish. Fishies, I will get you. You're not safe for long, fishies. Oh, well, I have an idea. This will totally work. And now I just have to throw it back up there. But I lost the fish food. I can get it. The fish.
Alligator.
I knew that would work. Wait. The fish food. I know what to do. Okay, so I gotta grab it. Put it. Grab it. Fish. Fish. Food. No. I can't beat to grab the fish food. Wait, to come back up. Come back up. No! The fish food. The fish food. You gotta come back. You need to come back up. Come back up. Fish! Okay. This will totally work. If this doesn't work, then I'm giving up on the fish food. God! Okay, I give up. Okay, so now it's just harass kitchen with grandma in it. Okay, so let's see. What can we do? No, that's not true. Grandma.
You're going to for me.
Grandma, you asked for it. Haha. Stupid grandma. Wait, I'm stupid. It's something. This is just how it works now. Let's see.
Open the seal.
Oh no. You gotta go back up.
Jag blir klar på mig.
Whoa! There. Grandma? Grandma, don't you dare. Oh, Grandma.
You can't fall for me.
Woohoo! Mission impossible. Mission impossible. Cat food soup.
Jag blir klar på mig.
Bro, I just love this game. This is just good. And it's time to do it.
Open the seal.
Okay, so it looks like I died. Let's see if the fish is still on the floor somewhere. Let's see if I actually did die. The game reset it. Oh, great. Okay. So I know how to work this out. Get the fish food. The fish come here. You grab the fishies with your claws. And you grab the fishies with your claws. I have an idea. Nah. So that's off. Wait, catch a fish! Catch a fish! Fish! Jesus. Okay. Bro, how could I get in? How could I possibly get in the fish tank? Now, let's see, what can I do? Ooh. So this door's closed. I think so. Yeah, so we only limited to a certain amount of rooms. I could climb up this. Climb up here. Oh, shit. Shins. I climb up here. Now I go there.
Jag blir klar på mig.
Now I can jump on her butt. Get her. Get up here. Now I can... I'm trying to do something.
You can't fall for me.
How do I club this up? Because I want like a bath. Okay, what happens if I... New location.
You've got to for me.
Oh, I thought I didn't kill her. It's a knife.
Is that nice?
No, I'm
You're
washing your
going to
dishes.
for me.
I'm gonna wash your dishes. I'm doing good stuff. I'm washing your dishes. Let's see what's happening if I do that. Eat that. No.
Is that nice? You're going to for me.
Hup. Wait. Hup. Nah. Granny mad. Granny, you mad?
You're going to for me.
Granny. You're mad. You're mad. Granny super duper. What the? Can I fight Granny now? Granny. Granny. I know what to do. Granny, Granny, can you take your glasses off? Granny, I'm just. You don't need those, so you don't need these, do you? Oh, you don't? Okay. So you don't need these?
Open the heel.
Oh, this is coming handy. Wait, what if I just... Okay, apparently I'm immune. Okay. Time to actually start running now. Apparently if I just do it, she just basically hurts. Time to grab a mug. And go. Can I?
You're getting far from me.
You can hide from me. Bread! Wait, I don't just... There's no bathroom, so let's go to this new... Wait, let's look at this is. How do I go to those new locations? What if I do all these and I go to sleep? What will happen? Listen. Okay, what if I just go to sleep? I've been harassing her all day. What if I just go to fall asleep? Okay, I'm gonna see what this is and I'll stop the game. Okay, everything looks the same. Wait. Okay. Has this always been here? It's a robot. It's a robot. Robot. Activate. Oh, hi. Robot, you need to go over there. Robot. 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 Are you for me? Okay. So you can't get up. So if I just go like, you can't get up. Okay, let's go. Let's get you back up. Okay, so what I need you to do is follow me all around. Let's go. That's cool. I don't think I can get up here. Beep boop. I play the piano. I am security? Okay, since I am cat, since I am I don't think that robot can get up here. Beep boop. Beep boop. Do you know what beep boop is? You monster! Beep boop! Beep boop, you gotta go. Grandma's trying to seduce us. Grandma's trying to seduce us. She's trying to make sure. Okay, well. Grandma, don't do this.
Jag blir farlig for me.
I am ready. Wait, fishies. Oh, I just brushed her hair. Hey, Beep Boop, we're coming. We're going, Beep Boop. Let's go, Beep Boop. Let's go, Moby. What are you called? Okay, I'm bringing you with me. I don't care what you're called, I'm bringing you with me. Oh. But I need the door open, Beep Boop. So, let's just Beep Boop. We need to open that door. Actually, how about this? Beep Boop, we just go to sleep. How about that, Beep Boop? What we need to do is go to sleep, so. Meow, beep, beep, boop. Beep, boop. Beep, boop. There you are, Beep, boop. Have you seen anything change yet? It's just the exact same. It's just the exact same, isn't it? I don't know. Beep, boop. Try to give. We could try to. I'm not gonna probably play this game again. It's pretty bad. I mean, torturing your grandma or adopted. I don't even know how to call this anymore. Torturing a woman that's not even your grandma, and that's also tripping on everything she sees. What the flip? Well, time to grab this. We got her, guys. We got her. Wait, no, we need her glasses. Now we got her. Okay. Beep boop, take this away. Nope. Grabbing this and I'm running. Huh. Huh. Beep boop. Beep boop. Okay, that's it for this game. I am cat. It wasn't really fun. I'm just kind of a cat jumping around doing stuff. But if you want to check it out, you can. I don't know how to get the other maps though. So other parts, other sections. You kind of harass your grandma. Or I call this my grandma, but this is an old lady. So the game, it's pretty good. I mean, it has good graphics. You can't jump into the water and grab a fish. She also is abusing you. She's also abusing you, by the way. So you gotta always because she's abusing you. You can climb walls, you can stick on walls. You're Spider-Man, basically. Basically Spider-Man, but not really. Wait a minute.
I'll punish you. You're getting far from me.
Grab Grandma. Grab Grandma. Kill Grandma. Okay, yeah, it's basically not too good. You can play it, but I gotta fall asleep before this Grandma wakes up. Alright. I'll see you in the video.